Before I jump into the products that give me this bomb style, I want you guys to know that this gave me hell because of this reason. I bought these perm rods, and for every single one, this happened. Like, I had to reattach them every single time. Like, they all popped off. I was getting frustrated. I'm gonna leave some clips in there so you guys can see what's up for real. But this girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. For today's video, I'm giving you guys this, okay? I'm back with another perm rod set. Girl, it's been what, a year and change since I've done a perm rod video here on my channel. I'm no pro at this. You know, I do it every once in a while and it happens to turn out cute enough to where I'm like, okay, cool. So yeah, but my perm rod video is the most popular video on my channel, and I've been wanting to do like an updated one since my hair has grown so much. Honestly, I feel like whenever I do it, my hang time doesn't really show because I still get hella shrinkage. I just think that my technique is not super perfect, so you guys don't really see the length of my hair. So honestly, there's that. But I will say I do really love how this turned out, and I have some bomb products to share with you guys that I used to achieve this perm rod set. So if you are interested, then please keep watching this video. So for today's video, I will be featuring some products from Design Essentials, and not only am I featuring these products, but I do want to let you guys know that I am an affiliate of Design Essentials. So if you guys shop using my discount code or my link down below, I will make a commission off that link. So there's that. Okay, I do want to apologize for the background noise. If you guys can hear the water running from the turtle tank, and then, you know, whatever else you may hear. Yeah. So the first product I want to talk about, I did not feature in the video, and it is the Almond Avocado moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but this conditioner is down to here in the bottle, because this is my third or fourth time using this conditioner. I'm mad nobody told me about this. Like, this conditioner, the first time I used it, I was like, okay, this probably tops every single conditioner I've ever raved about ever. Like, this is amazing. It's super moisturizing, very good slip, like amazing slip. Your hair doesn't even need to be soaking wet. The slip is incredible. It will get through every single knot, tangle, all that. Makes your hair super soft, super moisturized. I use this as a pre-poo, so I do condition, shampoo, deep conditioner, but I feel like this would be amazing after shampooing as well. If you like to shampoo and then condition, this is bomb. Okay, it says it's for all curl types. This is 12 fluid ounces, and it says it is formulated using the hydrating power of almond and avocado oils and shea butter to nourish and deliver intense moisture. On point. Okay, it's supposed to ease the detangling process. It helps to improve hair health from the inside out and leaves hair with luminous shine. That it does, and it makes your hair super duper defined as well. Like, this is phenomenal. Okay, you're supposed to apply it after shampooing, and you're supposed to apply from ends to scalp and comb through. Allow it to sit for up to 3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Now, I've used this and rinsed it immediately. I've used this and let it sit for the 3 minutes. Both times it was phenomenal. Like, guys, I'm telling you, you need to try this conditioner. Okay, let me know if you guys want me to do a wash and style or a wash day routine using this. You know, the only thing about wash day routines is that, like, you have to put on a full-blown production in the shower. But this is so good. If you guys want to see it in action, I will definitely show it to you. Moving on to the style. So the first product I used was the Almond and Avocado leave-in conditioner, and this is supposed to be moisturizing and detangling as well. I love this. This is super duper lightweight. I feel like I used a decent amount just because I was like, this looks real runny, let me see what's up. But I feel like you don't need to use a lot, just enough, and a little goes a long way. So I don't mind the consistency of it because it's worth it. Also, 12 ounces. These bottles are huge, which I can appreciate because we use a lot of products over on this side. I don't know about y'all. It says it's formulated with an infusion of jojoba oil, chamomile, and nourishing botanicals that penetrate quickly to soften and smooth the cuticle for easy detangling and ultimate frizz control. Try the curl enhancing mousse for a soft, pliable hold, or the honey curl forming custard for a firmer hold for wash and go styles, twists, or rod sets. Definitely need to try the custard. Okay, y'all know I love me a good wash and go, so I need to pair this with the custard and see what's popping. Okay, so I went in with this and applied it to my hair. I just did 2 bigger sections, and I just made sure to apply an adequate amount of the product. The product is still all the way up here. That just shows you guys that a little goes a long way. So there's that. And then I went in with the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. And this, it says it's for all curl types. This is 7.5 fluid ounces. It's formulated with sweet almond oil and vitamin B to provide curl quenching moisture, curl definition, and ultimate frizz control, while wheat protein penetrates the hair cuticle for stronger, healthier looking hair, and it leaves a gorgeous natural sheen. Okay, it says it's essential for waves, curls, and coily textures, seeking a soft, pliable hold with crunch and flake free styling. For a more firm hold, you're supposed to use the custard. The edge tamer smooths and lays down the hairline to complete styling. Now, I also do have the edge tamer, but I did not feature it in this video just because the edges are not out, sweetie. Okay, I did feature it in my Get Ready With Me a few videos back, so if you want to see that in action, go check that video out. But you're supposed to apply this to wet hair and comb or finger through into your desired style. Allow your hair to air dry naturally, or use a diffuser to set curls, and the mousse will disappear as the hair dries. Overall, the products are really moisturizing. I am so happy that I have these products in my stash now. Definitely love the conditioner. Like, I tried the conditioner before anything else in the line because the package came right unwashed, okay, and I needed a good detangler, so I was like, let me put this to the test, and it was bomb. So I couldn't wait to try out the rest of the products, and everything is super moisturizing. The application process was super easy, everything like that. Moving on into my style. Like I said, guys, these perm rods, they're new. I wanted to try the bigger ones because I always do the smaller rod sets, so I wanted to see if I get a different look. For the most part, there's a little bit of a difference, nothing too crazy, but my technique, I would say, didn't really change. But for this video, it has, because I started out with the whole twisting the root to get some elongation and then going in. Now, this time around, I didn't apply from the root to the ends. I applied from the ends upward because I wanted my ends to not be as frizzy as they usually are, which I'll say it worked to an extent, you know what I'm saying. I could have done it either way, really and truly. But one thing I will say, because the tops of the perm rods kept popping off, not only was I getting impatient, I was getting frustrated, because a perm rod set, it is time consuming just like any other style really, but it is time consuming. But when you have to deal with that, whew, I'm telling you, I was probably sitting here doing my hair for 3 hours or more. Like, it was real stressful because they kept popping off. But enough of me ranting about the perm rods. So because I kept having to undo the perm rod and going back in and rolling my hair on the rod again like 3 or 4 times each time, I ended up just skipping the whole twisting the root step, and I just started putting my hair on the rod, and I just didn't twist my root except for the one in the back. Like, literally, that was the only one that had a twist at the root. All the others did not. I just kept rolling, and I don't think I rolled in one specific direction. I feel like I just rocked my hair, and if it snapped on, great. If the top popped off, I had to redo it. I didn't really focus on which way I was rolling it. But yeah, so this is how my hair is looking. This is the next day. I let my hair air dry. It did not take long to air dry at all, because yesterday I did my hair around 2 o'clock. And yeah, right now it is around 2 o'clock basically. So yeah, this is how my hair looks. The definition is there, I will say that. So these products definitely defined my hair. This mousse is super duper soft, which it claims to be. It definitely says soft, pliable, hold, crunch free, flake free, all of that, and it is soft, like pillow soft curls for real. So this hair, I know it's going to get bigger. I'll still have some definition, but more frizz, of course. But I don't mind, because I've mentioned it on my Instagram. Not sure if I've mentioned it on my channel. With me, I struggle to get volume with rod sets just because my hair is so fine. So I don't mind the frizz because it makes my hair look bigger. So I'm anticipating that in about 2 or 3 days my hair will be like, and I am ready. Okay, I am so ready to see that. But yeah, overall this is how my hair turned out. I think the style is cute, you know. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I feel like no rod set will ever come close to my first rod set video. I don't know if it was just because my hair was so much shorter or what, but that one to me is in a league of its own. But yeah, it was fun to kind of show you guys a then and now, to see, you know, different techniques, different products of course, and everything like that, how my hair looks now. Also, when I do rod sets, I don't know about anyone else, but I feel like I can never really do a part. I always end up with a fro. Is it just me? But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead, pick it out, give myself a little bit of volume. Definitely creating more frizz when I'm picking my hair out for sure, but that is okay with me because, like I said, I want my hair to look bigger and better. But yeah, that is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling this, if you want me to do more rod set styles. Hopefully with different ones, because these ain't it. Or maybe I just got some dingy ones. I don't know. That would be my look, right? But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what other styles you guys would like to see. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, and if you are interested in trying them, don't forget that I will have a link down below. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.